He's just in office. He's just occupying position. He's not a leader because he's unable to. At a point, you see, you sit back and you ask yourselves, why is it so? And your ma said you a cushion, nipa na mabuno system ni breaking in John Dramani Mahama.
I see.
Breaking in teacher training allowance. And here for my say, me can meet my university, but allowance can cry. Wa me kwa be cushion without the allowance, no be to me go school. Was my obscure. Nurses training allowance was my obliterated. Wait, was my year through. Wait, he seemed not to care. And a new man, a bear ignited on one has a personal passion. He was a personal leader. Oye new man personally, Ophelia say Oye.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Your Mahama,
yes.
No, a personal leader.
He sat one day and felt like, okay, you see, look at the inflation of projects. They will see inflated projects. Interestingly, MTN exposing at a point. School dice MTN see a 6-unit classroom at 100,000 cedis. Now, NDCC 3-unit classroom at 300,000 Ghana cedis. Those times, Urefia Mekayo, me say MTN, as part of MTN Foundation, me see 6-unit classroom block at $100,000. Dollars, sorry, $100,000. Now, NDCC 3-unit classroom at $300,000. Share mami we free me nyame fa ne currency gift ativo the transport ministry. Look at what happened on the lady just a host of corruption na so evident. That is not to say me can say corruption cause what corruption is corruption. Say you remember a vice president.
Oh yeah, you remember vice president.
The good, the bad, the ugly will all be exposed because the time has come that Ghanaians should be sick and tired of following MPP as Ashantis. Now ya kwamano no I win election ya bossy after 1 year now brabom to say that na I before na voter region for oma kwama NDC oma follow no ma kontokwa NDC I win no bossy after 1 year 2 years brabom to say that it is sickening. We should be sick and tired of that and still remaining poor. You follow now at the end of the day, back to square one. It means you are not making progress. Time Patrice Lumumba, Kwame Nkrumah, Nelson Mandela, more time. I'm telling you, what's up in your not radio muye, not television muye, but all communicate. I just all come very far. Yet they did all they could to cause a change in their time. And then WhatsApp, reaching 1,000 people in a second. And the television stations now, TikTok, what have you? In our time, then, and I say, yet now say, unfortunately, conversation I have a crown. Senior, may say, the conversation you're having in a time like this,
okay.
International Youth Day 2019, and I MPP Penny be them contact my as all my frame because of me youth activism. And a South African station is a 5 FM or so. I learned say South African broadcast